Hey guys, welcome back to your channel HIT, Hack, Idea and Trick for Speedy HIT number 27. Today's trick is very innovative as I'm going to tell you how you can use these plate organizing racks as a bookshelves or a book holder. So why to wait? Without taking any longer, let's get started. So first of all, you will need two nails, because you have to fix those two nails on your wall. I'm using one of the plate organizing rack here. So this is the smallest one which I was having. So what I'm going to do is, there is already two nails fixed on my wall, which you can see. I am just going to hang it on those nails. Make sure that it's sturdy and it does not move from its place. And you can keep your books over here, like this. Keep in mind to use a sturdy stand so that it can take the weight of books. Next, you can also use plate organizing rack which allow multiple stacking. For this also, fix nails on your wall and you can stack your books similarly. It will give you a look of floating shelves with ease of access. While you are hanging this rack, make sure to keep in mind that the nails should be a little bit more stronger, as it will allow you to stack too many books at the same time. It should also be able to carry the weight which it is going to carry. This definitely works as in a display, and at the same time it does not take much of a space, and again you don't have to spend too much of money on these items. Now some of us must definitely be having some sort of tables or bookshelves already planned in our home. We can also use these items over there. You can just keep it and decorate the books, magazines, note items the way you want to display them. There is one thing which I want to suggest. There will be several items which is available in the market. I would say that you definitely go ahead with those products which is more sturdy and strong and give good look and feel. Another thing to keep in mind is that you go ahead with such product which suffice your need. So in short, if you have books which are of smaller size and also you have a smaller space, go with the single alignment organizer. If you have a bigger space, you can definitely go ahead with some of the organizer which can allow multiple stacking. So this is the final look. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Give me a like. If there is any question, drop me a message and I'll be quick in response. With this, I have to end this video. I'll be back with something new on Speedy Hit right now on your favorite channel, Hack, Idea and Trick. Tab tak ke liye, bye.